Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Today, we're going nuts. Ever wondered how to draw the cutest little squirrel holding a giant acorn? Well, you're in the right place. Get your pencils ready, because this adorable little guy is waiting to come to life. Let's make some fun fall magic and draw this furry friend together. Ready? Let's go nuts and get drawing. Okay, here's a fun twist. Somewhere in this video, I'm going to add a little hidden acorn. If you spot it, comment below and let me know. Think you can find it? Keep watching and see if you can catch it. Let's draw 2 big circles for the squirrel eyes. Inside each eye, draw 3 more smaller circles. In between the 2 big circles, draw another circle for the nose and a rounded W shape for the mouth. Above the nose, draw a small semicircle. From the free ends of the semicircle, draw 2 more semicircles above the eyes, followed by 2 semicircles on each side to form the shape of the head. Let's draw the ears, and the head of this cute squirrel is almost done. Start below the head and draw 2 small curved lines to form the hands. In between the hands, we're going to draw an acorn. By the way, how many acorns have you seen so far? Let me know in the comments. Below the acorn, let's draw a U-shaped line for the belly, and let's add the legs. What makes the squirrel special? That's right, the fluffy tail. Well done, everyone. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. We are almost at the end. How many acorns have you seen throughout the video? Let me know in the comments. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.